Time has not helped Álvaro Ovejero overcome his grief. His 4-month-old son died 4 years ago. His baby had been ill, so he took him to the hospital. He says doctors told him to vaccinate the child so that he could be cured. But Ovejero thinks the vaccine is what killed the boy.
They didn't tell me it was a test. They told me I had to do it. The baby had been in the hospital with bronchiolitis. Only after he was vaccinated, they told me he was part of the test.
Ovejero's baby received a dose of Synflorix. It's designed to protect children from meningitis, pneumonia, and ear infections. He says that shortly after the boy received the dose, he started sweating and couldn't breathe.
Even after he died, they did not want to give us the body back. They said it was part of protocol.
This is the health center in the area, and most of the families whose babies were vaccinated were recruited in places like this one, where people are extremely poor, and many of them don't even know how to read and write. People in this health center are afraid to talk about what happened. There have been accusations that those involved in the tests were paid for every vaccine given. People from outside brought the vaccines. It had nothing to do with us, this nurse told us. Authorities in Argentina have fined Glaxo Smith Kline for the way it managed the tests. The UK-based company said in a statement, Glaxo Smith Kline disagrees with the recent court ruling in Argentina. The ruling does not question the safety of the vaccine. Glaxo Smith Kline is initiating an appeal against this ruling to the Supreme Court in Argentina. But the victim's lawyer says that the ruling is not enough. He says that Glaxo was fined for misguiding people, but not for the death of the babies.
Glaxo was fined for administrative procedures. Now we are charging them for the death of the babies. They are responsible, but so are the authorities in the province for letting them implement the test and going after poor children.
About 13,000 children were tested between 2007 and 2008. Álvaro's son is only one of the 14 babies that parents say died after participating in the trials. He says he won't stop fighting until those responsible are behind bars. Teresa Bo, Al Jazeera, Santiago del Estero.